Welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss certain important things which are needed for JEE exam, NEET exam or the KCET exams. That is, oxo acids of phosphorus. What are the questions can be asked? Like hypophosphorus acid. How many replaceable hydrogen is there? Draw the structure of hypophosphorus acid. What is the hybridization in hypophosphorus acid for the phosphorus? What is the geometry of the hypophosphorus acid? How many POH bonds are present? Like that, in a different oxy acids of the phosphorus, question can be there. First of all, we see which are the oxo acids of phosphorus. Oxo acid of the phosphorus are: first one, hypophosphorus acid H3PO2. Second one, phosphorus acid H3PO3. Third one, orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. What is the next one? Pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7. Then cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid HPO3 3 times. Polymetaphosphoric acid HPO3 n times. These are the 6 important oxo acids of phosphorus. Then what is this oxo acid means? Oxo acid means it should be an acid, okay, with the OH group. See, P double bond O H OH H. 3 hydrogen are present, but it is called as oxo acid because of this POH bond. Oxygen hydrogen. And remember, this hydrogen or this hydrogen cannot be given out in the solution. Only those hydrogen which are bonded to the phosphorus through more electronegative element, they can be donated to the water, or only this OH, this hydrogen will be ionized in solution. So oxo acids. 6 important oxo acids you have to remember. The oxidation state of H3PO2 for the phosphorus. This is X. This is +1 for each hydrogen, -2 for each oxygen. So 1 into 3 plus X plus -2 into 2 is equal to 0 because they are molecule. So 3 plus X minus 4 equal to 0, X equal to 1 we are going to get. Means phosphorus is in the +1 oxidation state here. That is the first thing which can be asked. In the H3PO2, what is the hybridization of the phosphorus here? For this, what is the formula is that? Number of hybridized orbital is equal to half into valence electron in the phosphorus is 5 and the monovalent atom, 3 hydrogen atoms are there, 3 oxygen is divalent, so this should not be considered. So it is 4. 4 will be given by sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization gives tetrahedral shape or tetrahedral geometry. So hybridization in H3PO2 is the sp3 and the shape of hypophosphorus acid will be the tetrahedral in nature. P double bond O H H OH. See, this is in the tetrahedral nature only. So just see, this hydrogen and this hydrogen are directly bonded to the phosphorus, which cannot be replaced. This hydrogen is bonded to the phosphorus through oxygen. So hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 is monobasic acid. Note of this. That is only one replaceable hydrogen. Monobasic acids. As two hydrogens are bonded directly, this can be utilized in the reduction process. Means H3PO2 is a good reducing agent. This hydrogen and hydrogen can be utilized. See, hydrogen that is bonded to the phosphorus through the more electronegative element, if is more in number, then that acid will be more and more acidic. If directly bonded hydrogens are there, more in number, they are stronger reducing agent. They can ask like this: H3PO2, H3PO3, which is the better reducing agent. Then H3PO2 is the better reducing agent because there are two hydrogens which are bonded directly. That question also can be there in the competitive exams. What is the number of POH bond? One POH bond, two PH bond, and one P double bond O will be there in hypophosphorus acid. Note of this also. They can ask like this also. Number of POH bond in hypophosphorus acid is, then you write one only. Phosphorus acid. This is also known as orthophosphorus acid also. Formula is H3PO3. We see the oxidation state. H3PO3 for this X. So 1 into 3 plus X plus minus 2 into 3 equal to 0. So X equal to 3 we get. Means oxidation state is plus 3. Note on this. Hybridization. See H3PO3 for this, for the phosphorus. So number of hybridized orbital is equal to half into monovalent is 3 and phosphorus 5. So I get 4. Again it is sp3 hybridized. Tetrahedral shape only. Tetrahedral geometry as well as shape because no lone pair of electrons are present in the both cases. P double bond O, O, H, O, H, H. Again the tetrahedral shape. Okay, now number of POH bond will be 2. Number of PH bond will be 1. Number of P double bond O is 1. P double bond O 1, PH 1, POH 2. See, in the earlier case there was 2 pH bond, so it was better reducing or stronger reducing agent than this compound. And what about that? As 2 replaceable hydrogen is present, it is dibasic acid. How we can obtain this? P2O3, you react with the water, dissolving water, we are going to get H3PO3. Hypophosphorus acid. I forgot to mention this. What it is? White phosphorus you treat with alkali sodium hydroxide. You are going to get H3PO2. Equation is not balanced. You have to write the balance equations. It's not complete also. I don't want the complete reaction. Just how we are getting white phosphorus with the sodium hydroxide. Orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. Oxidation state 3 plus X minus 8 equal to 0, X equal to 5. So phosphorus has a plus 5 oxidation state. Hybridization. Hybridized orbital. How much? Half into 5 plus 3 monovalent hydrogen atoms. So it is 4. Again sp3 tetrahedral shape. So all the 3 oxy acids are of tetrahedral geometry as well as tetrahedral shape. Phosphorus O, OH, OH, OH. Okay. So what happened here? CO POH bonds are 3 in number. PH bond are 0 in number, P double bond O are 1 in number. And among the 3 oxo acids of the phosphorus I mentioned, this has the maximum capacity of donation of H, because 3 hydrogen can be donated. Means it's the strongest acid. That is one way. Or I can say, higher the oxidation state, stronger the acid. H3PO2 plus 1, H3PO3 plus 3, H3PO4 plus 5. So plus 5 oxidation state is there for the phosphorus, means it is stronger than the plus 1 state. So acid strength if you consider H3PO4 stronger acid than H3PO3, stronger acid than H3PO2. This is acid strength. Note it down. Acid strength H3PO3 acid strength H3PO4 greater than H3PO3 greater than H3PO2. Second one, reducing agent property. Reverse manner. H3PO2 stronger than H3PO3, stronger than H3PO4. Because number of direct HP bond because the number of pH atom will be reduced, means hydrogen directly bonded to the phosphorus is decreasing in this case. So this is the strongest reducing agent also. Is hypophosphoric acid H3P2O6 H4 P2O6 oxidation stage 1 into 4 plus 2x plus minus 2 into 6 is 12 equal to 0. 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4, means oxidation state is +4 here for the phosphorus. H4P2O6, number of P double bond O is 1, number of PH bond two, number of POH bond 4. Note it. How to get this compound? What it is? Red phosphorus you treat with a alkali like sodium hydroxide. You are going to get hypophosphoric acid. Next one is pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7. Oxidation state 1 into 4 plus 2x plus minus 14 equal to 0. 7 into 2 minus 2. So 2x minus 10 equal to 0. 2x equal to 10. X equal to 5. So oxidation state of the phosphorus is +5 here. See, in this also, both they will be in the tetrahedral shape over there. Okay, so this also the tetrahedral shape. And remember, here the in addition to PH, POH, P double bond O, there is a POP bond also. So, 1 POP bond, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 POH bond. Then double bond O. 2 P double bond O bond will be there. No PH bond. Means it cannot be a reducing agent. How to get? How to get this? Here is the phosphoric acid. We get this compound. Cyclometaphosphoric acid HPO3 tries. This is the structure. So OH 1, 2, 3. POH bonds 3. Phosphorus the OH. Then P double bond O groups 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then POP bonds. How much? POP1, POP1 to POP1 means 3. All are 3, 3 each. No pH bonds 0. Next one is polymetaphosphoric acid, which is HPO3 n times. Phosphoric acid is H3PO4. So here one H, here one H. Means here OH, here of OH is there. Then it is orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. If the polymerization takes place from this, then that will be the polymetaphosphoric acid. So n times it will be there on either side. This side also continues, this also continues. It should be the n times. So this also orthophosphoric acid, this also orthophosphoric acid. So just here, a water molecule is in motion, H2O. So what I going to get? P double bond O, OH, OH, O, then B, OH, double bond O, OH. Now, from the next molecule again, a water molecule removed. Then, what happened then? Here again, P, double bond O, OH, OH. This side, water molecule removed. Then what am I going to get? Again, P, OH, double bond O, OH. Like this, the chain continues. That's why I get n times. That is polymetaphosphoric acid. So POP bonds are there in this also. And then I say, see, oxo acids, in that phosphorus is always sp3 hybridized. Second one, all oxo acid contains P double bond O and at least one POH bond. Just see that previous structure what I gave. Everything contains at least one POH bond also. Then, if the oxidation state of the phosphorus is less than 5, then definitely in addition to POH, P double bond O bonds, there will be at least one PH bond or PP bond will be there. Where the PPH bond? Hypophosphorus acid. pH bond is there. Orthophosphoric acid. Again the pH bond is there. Hypophosphoric acid. Now see here. If the oxidation state of the phosphorus is +3 in the oxo acid, then definitely such oxo acid gives disproportionation reaction. See here. This is of +5, this is of -3, and is given by only by the phosphorus. +3 to +5 oxidation and +3 to the -3 reduction taken place by only this molecule only, this species only, means there is a disproportionation reaction. From this concept also, question can be there in the competitive exams. Among these, which shows disproportionation reaction? A. H3PO2, B. H3PO4, C. H3PO3, then you write H3PO3, and I mentioned if the oxidation state is +3, definitely shows disproportionation reaction. See, H3PO2 has 2 PH bond, it is stronger reducing agent. H3PO3 has 1 PH bond, little lesser. H3PO4 is the weakest also among these three. No PH bond, 0 PH bond will be there. This can't go 0. So strongest reducing agent, weakest reducing agent. Example, let's see here. When silver nitrate is treated with hypophosphorus acid, silver is reduced to silver nitrate is reduced to silver, and this one is going to get oxidized also, because it is in the +1 state, here it is in the +5 state. So this is undergoing the oxidation, this is undergoing the reduction over there. Means hypophosphorus acid reduces silver nitrate into silver. Meantime, hypophosphorus acid get oxidized. Means it is a redox reaction only.